Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Snow White Deer Mount in Crimson Desert. Now first things first, this is pretty much my location and the map. I'm just right on top of the A on Pylon as you can see it right here, and thankfully there is also an Abyss Nexus right next to you, so you can pretty much reload every single time in case you do fail trying to hunt the Snow White Deer, because quite frankly this is pretty difficult for you to beat. Not in the sense that it will kick your ass, but you just have to keep chasing after it if you don't go into sneaking tactics. Now, of course, there are methods that you can do to beat the Snow White Deer. And of course, the first one would be pretty much just straight running after it until eventually you can find it or corner it until you kill it. But that will result in you having to travel so far away from where you initially were and have to waste too much of your time. Another side note, if you do have the reindeer cloak right here, this cloak can offer you a deer disguise, so you can pretty much approach the Snow White Deer without it having being spooked. And this also gives you some frost resistance, so you won't have the stamina penalty when you're walking around in snow. As you can see right here, he's not really reacting to me even though I'm right beside him. This is a good opportunity for you to just do a sneak attack on it. And then pretty much all you have to do is just beat the hell out of it. As you can see right there, it's a lot easier compared to not having the reindeer cloak. If you are wondering how you can get that deer cloak, pretty much southwest of the Witch Woods should be around right here on this little road. I'm going to mark it right here. And if you are wondering on a better landmark, it is pretty much right to the south of Hernan, directly under the E, as you can see right here. I'm just going to go to that location so I can show you. Alright, now I'm pretty much close to the destination right around here on the road. You will see it right here in front of you, just between the mountain. Just follow along the path and you'll get to the location. Alright, now once you've reached this point where one of the exits is right here, this is pretty much the view where you're supposed to be looking at. And right behind you should be a rock that's blocking your path. And make sure you have the focused force palm. And by using the focus force palm right around here, just hold down your middle mouse. If you see that boulder, just wait for it to light up and then just smash it. Once you pretty much destroyed the orb that is embedded onto the rock that's blocking your path, you should just be able to find it inside this treasure chest right here. Alright, once that's all done and dusted, go over to one of the witch's slayer, for example, Elowen right here, press down craft abyss gear, and you should be able to find the option by pressing C. You should be able to find the white sigil for the Snow White Deer. Make sure to craft it, and then go over to your inventory. Use the sigil inside by pressing down space, and on the top left, it should say that you have registered the mount for the Snow White Deer. And if you want to call it out, hold down F1 on your keyboard and scroll through your mounts until you see the Snow White Deer, and then release it, and it should summon the Snow White Deer right next to you. But if it doesn't, just press H on your keyboard. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the permanent Snow White Deer mount in Crimson Desert.